Investing in digital gold provides an opportunity to gain exposure to the price of gold without physically owning or storing the metal. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in digital gold. Research and choose a digital gold provider. There are several digital gold providers available in the market. Research different platforms, compare their fees, reputation, security measures, and user experience. Some popular digital gold providers include Gold Money, Bullion Vault, and Perth Mint. Sign up and complete the verification process. Once you've selected a digital gold provider, sign up for an account. You will likely need to provide personal information and go through a verification process to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Deposit funds. After your account is verified, deposit funds into your digital gold account. This can typically be done through bank transfers or other accepted payment methods. Purchase digital gold. With funds in your account, you can now purchase digital gold. The platform will usually provide real-time pricing based on the current market value of gold. You can specify the amount of gold you wish to purchase, either in grams or ounces. Monitor and manage your investments. Keep track of the value of your digital gold investment. The platform may offer tools and charts to help you monitor the performance of your investment. You can choose to hold your digital gold as a long-term investment or trade it based on market conditions. Consider security and insurance. Evaluate the security measures implemented by the digital gold provider. Look for platforms that offer robust encryption, multi-factor authentication, and secure storage of gold bullion. Additionally, consider if the provider offers insurance coverage for the digital gold holdings. Withdraw or sell your digital gold. When you decide to sell or withdraw your digital gold, you can typically request to convert it back into cash or physical gold, depending on the provider's options. The process may involve fees and additional verification steps. As with any investment, it's important to understand the risks associated with investing in digital gold, including potential price fluctuations and counterparty risks.